Hello, today I want to talk about a really great product that I use. It's Dope Cosmetics liquid lipstick. The particular shade that you see here in front of you is Wifey. There's a million liquid lipsticks on the market right now. All of them have a different formula. All of them have a variety of shades. This particular brand I love. I've been using it for quite some time now, and the liquid lipsticks I can honestly say are some of the best that I've used. The formula is creamy, it's smooth, the fragrance is really nice. There's a wide variety of different shades, which I also appreciate. There's one shade for every skin complexion, every color. There's one for every occasion. It's very trendy. Their branding is very hip, very in, and I really appreciate that because it's very modern. So I'm going to talk a little bit about it today. I'm going to do some swatches for you so you can kind of get a good idea of the different variety of colors that they have. And so I hope that, at the end of this, you'll go out and you'll get it. So I have it just to compare the size. I have an ink pen here. You can see this tube is just not quite as tall as the ink pen. And to get a good idea of just how round it is, I have a dime, and you see the dime fits perfectly. So that's about the size of it. This is a little bit of a larger vial, which I appreciate because it does give you a lot of color. I'm not gonna throw this in my purse necessarily because it is so big, especially if I'm going out at night and I'm carrying a clutch with me. It's made of hard plastic, so you don't have to worry about dropping it and it shattering. But because it is such a long vial, it's not best for, throwing it in your bag unless you have a bigger purse. Like if you're going out for dinner, it's kind of a hassle to have this in your clutch, or if you're just kind of using like a wristlet or something like that, it's not the best. But the good thing about this product is that you don't have to reapply it throughout the night. I've worn these for quite some time now, and they do stay all day and they don't transfer, so I do appreciate that. Have the Art Deco here on the front. It just says Dope Cosmetics, and this rose gold cap, which is really cute. I really love the vial and the cap itself. And then here at the bottom you'll see the shade label, which has the name, and this particular one again is Wifey, which is, again, it's like a trendier brand. You're gonna see shade names that are a little bit cooler than your normal brand. They're not as literal as some brands out there, so I appreciate that as well. So I'm just gonna swatch it for you. First I want to show you the wand. So Dope Cosmetics has a really great wand. As you can see, it's at an angle, so this is perfect for getting just the right line on your lip. You can line it with the tip here and fill it in with the flat part. This is perfect because obviously all of our lips are at an angle, and that's the way that you want to apply the lipstick. For those of us who are not, huge makeup fanatics and who are not the greatest at applying liquid lipstick because it can get messy, this is a really great wand. Makes it really simple. It's long enough for you to really get a grip on the hold of it, and again, the angle of the wand makes it really easy to apply it correctly. So this shade is Wifey. It's kind of like a rose, like a dusty rose color. And let me just kind of do a swatch for you. So you can see here, it goes on really smooth, and the payoff is great. You don't see any holes in it. You can't see my skin underneath, and I only did about 2 swipes. I can do one more swipe here so you can see. So that's just one swipe there, and you can see it looks the same shade as the first one. This is perfect. This is what you want in a liquid lipstick. You want it to glide on smoothly. You don't want to have to pack it on. Now this is a liquid to matte formula, so be aware that it's going to go on luster like that, and then it's going to dry matte. One thing about this particular brand, it doesn't look over drying on your lip, and I love that. Everyone likes a good matte liquid lipstick, but they don't want it to look flaky or too dry, and this definitely does not do that. Dope Cosmetics has a variety of different shades. This is just one of 23, and I have several other ones that I'm going to show you. So as you can see, there's a variety of different colors. There's nudes, there's pinks. They have reds, which are really beautiful. There's a shade for everyone, and that's what I really appreciate about this brand. So I'm just going to swatch as a couple. So here you have a really bright high pigmented pink, and as you can see, I actually haven't used this one. I have so many of these, it's hard for me to get through all of them. But as you can see there, it's a really brilliant magenta pink, which is really nice. I think that any woman can pull that off. And then and this shade is Clapback, so you see the shade label here. And then you have this one, which is really nice, is Swerve. It's more of like an orange coral color that, again, a lot of women of different complexions can pull that off as well. And as you can see here, really great payoff. It goes on smooth, it glides on really well. Now the fragrance is kind of like a vanilla flavor. It's not too much, which I appreciate. You're not going to be smelling it throughout the night. It's not too harsh. So for those who are sensitive to fragrances and cosmetics, I know there's a lot of us out there who just don't like strong perfumey smells in our cosmetics, especially our makeup, because it's on our faces so close to our mouth, sorry, our nose. This is not overpowering at all. You can put it on. I have it swatched from my arm and I can barely smell it. It's a really light fragrance of vanilla, so I appreciate that. But again, Dope Cosmetics, they're a newer brand. They have liquid lipsticks, they have eyeshadows, they have highlighters, they have pressed powders. They awesome. I love their collection. This is just 5 shades out of 23, and that is plenty to choose from. There is a shade for every woman. Their shades are very wearable. They're not too over the top. They're everyday wear. You have your pinks, you have your nudes, you have your reds for evenings, or if you're just, you know, one of those classic lookers. So I hope this was helpful for anyone out there who is looking to try a new liquid lipstick. Definitely go for Dope. I think it's a great brand and y'all would give it a try.